Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be talking about texturing and more specifically the plastic car parts. I will show you how with a few little changes you can make your renders look so much better. I will be using this Volkswagen badge as an example. As you can see, it looks really detailed and realistic. Now I will show you the node setup. You can stop the video right now and check it out yourself. And now I will walk you through. So as you can see, it contains two parts. The first of it is like the main shader. I'm using an ambient occlusion map plugged into the base color and controlled by the color ramp. It gives a nice depth to the shading. I'm also using the imperfections roughness map and some grunge normal map to give it some texture. And as you can see, it looks pretty good. And the second part of the shader is just an dirt texture, very simple again. We'll use an mix shader node to combine the both shaders, and we'll use the ambient occlusion map again, but this time as the factor value to determine where to make it more dirty or where it is more clean. I think it's just a really simple shader, nothing fancy, but it looks really good. It adds that extra realism to your scenes. And that's really the point of this video. I wanted to show you guys that with just some simple shaders, a normal map maybe with some grunge, to give it some texture, you can achieve really realistic results with little effort. Always give it some grunge, give it some imperfections, and you will see that your materials will start to look better and better. And now to give you a comparison, look at how this simple trick can change your renders. You can go from this to this real quick. Also guys, I don't know if you have noticed, but I changed my channel logo, so let me know in the comments what do you think about it. And as always, if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe.